Hello everyone, it's Dina Ray with Designs by Dina, and today we're going to dress up this little wooden heart that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm using some scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's a pretty font. I'm not sure what the writing is. You can't really make out what it says, but it's pretty. I love the color of it, and I thought it would make a good background piece. So as you can see, I've already done something on that one side a few years ago. I think it was a Chalk Couture stencil, but I'm just going to cover it up with that scrapbook paper and using my squeegee to get that Fabri-Tac all smooth so that there's no wrinkles or anything. And then now I'm taking the little sander and just sanding off those little edges where I cut it just a little bit too wide. So I'm just going to take that all the way around and just get all that off. Now this side was pretty good. I got that pretty good. So now we're going to add this other heart that I did get from Hobby Lobby. I did remove the jute string that was attached to that. And I'm just adding these little Jenga blocks to lift it up to give it a little 3D effect for later. You'll see why. And then now I'm going to take the Frayed Burlap Distressed Oxide ink, and I'm just going to take that all the way around the heart and on top of that white, so it's just not so stark white. Just kind of tone it down just a little and age it just a little bit. And I'm getting all the little glue strings that were everywhere. And now I'm going to take a piece of this crocheted lace and I'm just going to put it right across that heart. It's just a good neutral project. The colors are pretty simple and would probably go with any decor. And then there's my signature heart. It's a pearl in the middle and then some bling around the outside. I'm just going to put that in the middle. And then those two holes where the string was attached, the jute string was attached, I want to cover those up. So I just took some greenery from a flower bundle that I got from Michael's, and I'm just using the leaves and a little bit of the stems, and it kind of looks like a little bit of fern. I'm not really sure what that greenery is, but it's nice and soft and sagey looking, not so green, and I thought it really went well with the color scheme. So I'm just trying to cover up all the holes and then build this side up a little bit more than the other side. And then I'm going to take this Sola wood flower, and it already comes in that color, and I thought it was a perfect match also. And then now I'm just going to take some sari silk to use as a hanger, and I'm just going to glue that to the back using the lid so I don't burn my fingers. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a blessed day, and don't forget to follow Designs by Dina.